Hello everyone, Christina here, your tech director. Hey, today I want to give you a quick tip on how you can send a document for signatures to two different people that share the same email address in DocuSign. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you and we will get started. So this is all through DocuSign. So I am already in the room for this address that I need to send a document to a husband and wife that share the same email address. The first thing to make sure, as it makes it a little easier, in your details section, just make sure that you've put both spouses' names in the details section, whether it's seller 1, seller 2, or buyer 1, buyer 2. Just put both of their names. For example, I did seller 1 and seller 2. I've got Donald Duck with my email. And then down here, I've got Daffy Duck with my email. All right. Once you've done that and you're in documents, you're going to add the proper document to your room. When you're ready and you've already completed the document, it's filled out, you're ready to send it to both the husband and wife to sign, you're going to go to that document and click the little circle on the top left and click create envelope. Once you've done that, it's going to bring you to the envelope for that document. You'll see it right here. We're going to click add recipient pre-tagged roles. Because we started this document in DocuSign, this makes your life a lot easier. So I'm going to select seller 1, seller 2, and I'm going to add Donald Duck and Daffy Duck. And you'll see they both have the same email address. Okay. I'm going to click add selected. Now, one tip that makes it a little easier, because you will need to explain this to your clients, is go ahead and change the second person to a 2 on this side. So that way it doesn't confuse them that they're going to get 2 emails at once to sign. This way they will only get 1 email to that email address asking them to sign. Once the first person signs, they'll get another email to that same email address for the second person to sign. So once you've done that, then just ensure you have your email addresses here, same email. You can type your email message here if you like. Then we're going to go up to the yellow next button. Once you're here, you're going to see a preview of all the signature spots that they are, the template in DocuSign has already understood exactly where those clients' signatures needs to go. You'll see up here at the top left, you see Donald Duck is yellow, Daffy Duck is blue. All right, so we already have all the signature spots ready to go. All I've got to do now is click send, the yellow button at the top right. So now that I've done that, I already received as the client, Donald Duck and Daffy Duck. I have already received to my email address the first email, and you'll see that right here. Please DocuSign. We're going to click that and you'll see Donald Duck, please DocuSign. So we're going to click the review document button. Keep in mind, this is from your client's point of view. Okay, so this way you know exactly what to expect for your clients when they have questions how to do this. They'll click continue and then they're going to click start and start clicking to sign. Now you'll see, since Donald Duck is not in my system, I'm going to click adopt new. That is the key. Now it's going to add Donald Duck's name here and his signature. Click adopt an initial. And now if we scroll up, you'll see DD for Donald Duck. Okay. So then Donald Duck keeps going through here and clicking to sign everything. Now that they're finished, they'll click finish up here at the top right. And Donald Duck has successfully signed. No thanks. And I'm going to close that window. Now back to my email, you'll see I've received another email. When you click it to open it, you'll click review document, and keep in mind it shows Daffy Duck. So this is Daffy Duck's turn. When they click review document, now they're going to click continue and start. And as soon as they click this, it's going to prompt them again. Which signature are we using? We're going to click adopt new because Daffy Duck is not in here. So adopt new, Daffy Duck pre-populates here, and then the signature is here. Click adopt an initial, and now Daffy Duck can go through here and click all of these. And you'll see Daffy Duck and Donald Duck have signed. We click finish. And then we can click no thanks and close this. And now as the agent, you'll see completed. Your document has been completed. You can view it here, and you can also do this directly through the room. When you open your room and go to documents, you'll see the one with the green check mark that says signed. You'll scroll down and see both signatures by Donald Duck and Daffy Duck. Donald Duck, Daffy Duck. So that is how you can send a husband and wife or spouses that share the same email to DocuSign. Thanks, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.